In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop to create an animated GIF using your light painting images. First of all, open your best light painting image in Photoshop. Go to File, Save As, look for your student drive, and choose the folder where you save your projects. Mine is called Photo Class. And inside of here, make a new folder and call it Light Painting Animation, and click Open. Now title this 01 Light Painting. Change the file type to JPEG if necessary. It might already be a JPEG. And click Save. The quality should be 12. Click OK. Next, in the Layers panel, if your Layers panel is not showing, go to Window and from the alphabetical list choose Layers. In the Layers panel, go to the bottom and find the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button. Click it and choose Hue and Saturation. You will get these property sliders. Go to Hue and change the slider around until it's a color that you like. Let's say there. Now go to File, Save As, and it has the previous name already in the title. So simply change it from 01 to 02, then save as type to JPEG and click Save. Quality 12, OK. Next, go back to the Hue slider and change the color again. Follow the same steps. File, Save As. This one will be called Light Painting 03. Change it to a JPEG and click Save. Quality 12, OK. Now let's go to this end with the Hue slider. File, Save As. We will call this one 4. Change it to a JPEG and click Save. Quality 12, OK. Now we just need one more. File, Save As. We'll call this one 5. Change it to a JPEG and save. OK. So now I will close this, and I am not going to save the changes, so I will click No. Now go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Browse, go to the folder where you saved them. I saved mine in the JSmith folder under Photo Class in Light Painting Animation folder. I will click the first one, hold down Shift, and click the last one. So I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all selected, and click OK. Click OK to load layers. Wait a moment for it to process. Now we need to get the timeline. Go to Window and from the alphabetical list, choose Timeline. Down here at the bottom, make sure that this says Create Frame Animation and not Video Animation. You may have to change it by clicking here. Click right on this button, Create Frame Animation, then go over to the side menu, click to open the menu, and choose Make Frames from Layers. Now I'm going to rearrange my colors in the order that I want them. So perhaps I'll move this one here and this one here. Okay, now I will click the first one, hold down Shift, and click the last one so that they're all selected. Choose seconds. I'm going to try 0.2 and then play. And I think I like that speed, so I will stop, go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy, wait for it to process. If you want to see it, you can put Fit in View down here, then save, and I will title this Light Painting Animation and put my name on it. And click Save. Okay, so if I go to my folder, look in my photo class, in my light painting animation folder, there it is. And that's what it looks like finished. Be sure to turn that in so that you get credit. That's it for this video.